everybody! Yay! So it's beautiful sunny today and behind me is beautiful fountain. So I'm now in a park, Adam Beach Village. I think that is one of my favorite parks after Park Sawachi, Cittadella Park and this one. And look at this, wow! And behind me there's so many people already enjoying their time sitting on the grass. And look at this beautiful sunshine, and behind me is the theater. So yeah, today is another day to explore, and look at this plant. It's gonna be a flowers blooming soon. And today is another day to explore, to discover what we're gonna do and what we're gonna eat in Poznan, Poland. Woohoo! Look at this beautiful garden fountain. Wow, it's really like the Netflix movie that I always watch about the Western life. It's like a really dream come true. Very nice. Actually, small things that makes me happy. Every day I discover something new, and yeah, it's totally like, you know, I just speechless, so happy. I touch the water. The water is actually very cold, like the ice. Can you hear the sound of the church? That's the tram in the front. Wow, see, more and more people are coming, and the theater building in the front. So nice. Really like in the movie comes through. Beautiful. Wow. Look at this girl. What is she doing there under the fountain? Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at this one. Nice. Very nice. Look at this beautiful building in front of me. Wow. This is my favorite spot so far, Sweaty Marcin Square. So yeah, it's beautiful sunny day but still windy and cold. So now it's time to explore the place around here and find out the place to eat. So I'll show you a quick navigation where we are. If you still remember about this Dzień Dobry Poznaniu, and in front of me is the church. And then is the Galeria MM, which is a shopping mall, and over there is the Sweaty Marcin Street. But today we are not exploring Sweaty Marcin Street, but we will go there. I think that this area is also famous for the more affordable hotel, and I think this one is apartment. So let's explore there more. There are so many brand new buildings actually. So it's not only old building, but they are building a lot. Just like this in front of me, there are so many offices, a spa, salon, and also travel agency. Let's go. I think this one also another prime location close by the Renoir, and they're gonna build a hotel if I'm not mistaken. Look at this church actually. Wow, this one since 1504. Very old, but they still keep maintaining it. Yeah. And next to it, there is a beautiful mural art. Well, I don't know exactly where I am. I will check it. But look at this beautiful apartment. So I think we will go there. Actually, I don't know where I am exactly. I think I'm in the area of the Walking Street in the Renoir. Oh wow. So yeah, let's go. I think this one is, yeah, I know where I am. This one is the pierogi shop. Like the first day when I'm going here with Damian. So let's go. So yeah, basically this one is the Walking Street. This is how it is, the situation. Basically busy. It's on the weekend. More and more people are coming and walking. Oh, that's in front of me is the Starry Brobar. Now I know where I am. And in front of me, this one is called Foxstar. Basically, if you want to buy oleh-oleh from Poznan, Poland, they said that this is recommend to buy something like for gift and souvenir, just like this. So I was inside this shop, the oleh-oleh one. So many nice things for your oleh-oleh. Very nice. So many nice things actually about the Poznan. Magnet, plates. Many nice stuff here. Oh, even they have a postcard. Oh, look at this one. So this one, probably whenever you want to buy your souvenir, this is very, very recommended. That's very nice oleh-oleh shop, right? Okay, so if you come to Poznan and you look for souvenirs to give to your beloved one, you can buy it there in Volkstar. So how do I feel so far walking alone everywhere I go? Yes, Damian is busy working even on the weekend, and like I explained you before, it's holiday season and many people are coming to Poznan. So yeah, let's have lunch o'clock. Look at this beautiful architecture building. Look at there as well. And now I'm going to Mannequin. I think that this Mannequin is my favorite brand so far. Affordable and very nice. Let's go. So here we are. You see the queue is so long. And they already provide also sitting outside. And this is basically how it looks like the place. So it's long waiting. I'll show you how it looks, the place here. They have a sitting area outside. So yeah, let's wait to be seated. So basically this is how it looks inside. And I'm sitting inside. Look at this building. And because waiting so long, so many places to sit. I am a big fan of Polish chicken soup, which is rosul. This one is the rosul here in Mannequin. So smacznego! Right, so today I paid around 19 zloty for my rosul and sparkling water. Oh la la, it's just like the price of the milk bar. So that was another Mannequin that I already tried. Oh, Bardzo Polecam, and the price is very affordable. And now it's time to have a coffee o'clock. It's time to have a coffee. You see that so many people are actually on the Walking Street. And this one is Pepco. I think that somebody told me that that's another shop that to go if you want to buy something like clothes that is cheap in Poland. I will go there, but first of all, let's have a coffee o'clock. So that's Starbucks, Aldi, Gorancho, Polecam, and you see from here the hour. Let's go there in Sova. It's coffee o'clock again in Sova. So in Sova they have a promo like coffee and cake cost you 19 zloty. And look at this cake. Oh la la. So I choose one hot cappuccino with this one, cost you 19 zloty. Oh, very nice. And the place is always full house. Look at this beautiful big portion cake. So whenever you come to Sova, you have to ask the promotion, basically 19 zloty for my hot cappuccino and this cake. Ooh. Okay, so it's coffee o'clock. Today my lunch cost me 19 zloty, rosul and sparkling water, and this one coffee and cake 19 zloty. So the total cost that I paid 19 plus 19, 38 zloty. Wow, very affordable. You got main course and also the coffee and cake. I'm so happy. Doesn't break my husband debit card. Okay, I think that's all my video today, guys. Another day in Poznan, Poland. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye. Ooh, look at this. Oh, beautiful wedding. Nice. Oh, so lovely. So lovely. Oh, wow. It's totally different vibe. Oh, look at this. Beautiful bride and groom. Oh, oh my god. So happy to see this. It's different. What? Saxophone. Oh, lovely. Wow, wow, and wow. See? This is the Polish wedding. So intimate. People dress up so beautifully, elegant. They are going to do, I think, a married vow there. Oh.